It's Kwapeng. I'm 19 years of age. I'm a striker and I play for Bidvest. I was away on loan, so it was a good experience for me, and now I'm happy to be. I was sent to Bay United in Limpopo. Basically, it was a different environment, a different scenery as well. Had to adapt quicker than normally, but take nothing away from the experience as well that I gained there as well. And you appreciate what you have. It starts as far as just simple setting up of the club, to the way the team plays, to the players around you as well. And you kind of feel that you're away from your family in a sense. And when you come back, you kind of appreciate the little things. I started 6 games. I was the leading man as well. Came on as a sub twice, and I managed to bag 4 goals. The team's doing well already, and I want to come add to that, but put in as much effort as possible as well, and try to satisfy myself more than anything else as well.